everyone, got another easy keto recipe for you, and it makes 2 servings. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, real bacon bits, the zucchini spirals, Philadelphia cream cheese, pink salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder, and oregano flakes, and then a fry pan, spatula, and a cover. Let's start by cooking up the ground beef on the stovetop, breaking it up in bite-sized pieces, and turn it on a heat a little higher than medium. Let's add over heavily pink salt, light pepper, light onion and garlic powder, and light on the oregano flakes. Give it a good stir. Then we're going to cover this and let it start to cook. While that's cooking, let's heat up our zucchini spirals in the microwave. It takes 6 minutes in my microwave. And then over the hamburger, add 2 tablespoons of the minced onion. Give that a good stir. And once the hamburger is all cooked up, we're going to go ahead and strain it and then put it back into the fry pan on the stove and then turn it to a medium heat. Then take out your zucchini spirals, and you'll see there, use a pot holder and squeeze out all the excess water, and then put the whole bag into your hamburger mixture. Add a 1/2 cup of real bacon bits, a 1/2 pack of the Philadelphia cream cheese, and you'll see we're on a medium heat here. You want to give it a good stir, and then we're going to turn it to a simmer and simmer it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then go ahead and serve it up, adding Parmesan if you like, and you'll see the picture here. Doesn't that look delicious? Super easy again, you guys, and another delicious meal. I absolutely love this. It was so creamy and delicious, and low in carb. The entire dish was only 5 net carbs, and so for that plate there, it's only 2.5 net carbs. Definitely give this a try and make it for your family. And always keep it keto.